Djibouti's insane plan to build a 234-meter complex tower which will represent the country's tower. The small Republic of Djibouti, located on the Horn of Africa, might be known for its geology and landscapes, but it's garnering global attention for the design of an incredible 243-meter high-rise cultural and business center in the form of the national emblem with the working title Djibouti Towers, designed by a Russian architect Alex Vyshevsky. Containing 3 towers, the waterfront complex will create a physical representation of the country's coat of arms. It will also contain the nation's tallest complex of skyscrapers. Djibouti Towers is a one-of-a-kind world-first skyscraper complex that embodies the country's state symbols and insignia, as well as the people of Djibouti's national history. Without much waste of time, let's examine the ambitious Djibouti Tower. But first, if you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Djibouti Tower, designed by Alex Vyshevsky, is a high-rise cultural and business center. The project is a composition of 3 towers, the central tower representing a spear and a shield, and the star at its top symbolizes the unity of the nation. There are 2 symmetrical towers, both sides of this spear, and they are designed in the form of 2 traditional Djibouti daggers, decorated with elements symbolizing a laurel wreath. The laurel wreath represents the peace granted to the people of Djibouti after independence on June 27, 1977 from France. The center tower is the most unique and symbolic tower of the trio. It includes a spear and a shield topped with a star. Vyshevsky explains that this overall composition symbolizes the unity of the nation. The rotating sphere is also literally a place that celebrates unity and is planned to hold events for delegates as well as a luxurious restaurant. Djibouti Towers is designed as a new business and retail hub that would help develop the area's reputation as a business district and center for international trade. Vyshevsky also hopes that the concept would promote unity through its design intent, stating, "We hope that the Business and Cultural Development Center, Djibouti Towers, will become a symbol of peace and national unity of the Horn of Africa states." Once completed, Djibouti Towers will be the tallest complex of skyscrapers in Africa at a height of 243 meters. It is expected that the representatives of large international businesses, financial sector and retail will be located on the territory of 2 towers, each of them which will be 43 floors high. The project has already been approved by the President and the government of the Republic of Djibouti. Moreover, the construction was provided with a piece of land allocated in the city of Djibouti, which is the capital. The site for the project was secured and the complex has been designed as a national project with the participation of the country's president Ismail Omar Guelleh. The work is underway to complete the project site engineering surveys in preparation for construction, according to Vyshevsky. What the complex will include: Djibouti Towers will become the first complex of skyscrapers in the world that embodies national symbols of the country. This skyscraper complex will become a remarkable high-rise cultural and business center. In fact, due to its uniqueness, it will become the symbol of the gateway to East Africa. This project features an incredible structure of 3 towers. The towers will be used for finance and retail businesses, and the complex will also include 4-level basement floors, trade and entertainment center with boutiques, restaurants, cinemas and concert and exhibition halls, business center and representative offices of large companies, shopping and dining centers, concert and exhibition halls, a 4-level basement which will be located on the complex, and observation decks and panoramic restaurants will be located atop the towers. It will have private residences, luxury hotels and panoramic restaurants. The heart of the complex is a rotating ball, symbolizing the union of all peoples, races and cultures of Africa. It will have conference halls for receiving high-ranking delegations. There is no doubt that the construction of the towers will transform the region into a business district with a developed infrastructure, business environment and eco-friendly green spaces. Djibouti new architecture will attract a large flow of tourists and investment to East Africa, which means great importance for the development of the region. As the chief architect of the project, Lex Vyshevsky says, "We hope that the Business and Cultural Development Center, Djibouti Towers, will become a symbol of peace and national unity of the Horn of African states." There you have it, explorers, Djibouti Complex Towers, which will become the tallest in Africa when completed. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and also share it with your friends.